The Specta Mini GPS Drone SP100 is a lightweight and portable device that weighs less than 249 grams, making it easy to carry around without needing FAA registration. Equipped with a high-quality 4K UHD camera and a 3-axis gimbal, this drone captures stunningly stable and detailed videos at 30 frames per second, even allowing up to 4 times digital zoom. With an impressive control range of up to 10 kilometers, the Specta Mini GPS drone ensures you can explore and capture distant scenes with confidence thanks to its strong anti-interference capabilities. This drone is designed to withstand level 5 winds, providing smooth and steady footage even in challenging weather conditions, and can take off at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. A powerful 2,250 mAh lithium-ion battery offers up to 31 minutes of flight time, giving you ample opportunity to capture creative moments without frequent recharges. Beginner-friendly features like one-button takeoff and landing, GPS return to home, and stable hovering make the Specta Mini GPS Drone SP100 an excellent choice for new pilots.